discuss about a new disease, that is Prion disease. So imagine a disease that is so strange, it is not caused by bacteria, neither viruses or fungi. Instead, it is triggered by a misfolded protein, a microscopic error with devastating effects. So it is a disease that is a fatal neurodegenerative disorder caused by abnormal proteins called prions. Unlike most diseases, they don't carry genetic material, yet they can turn healthy proteins into harmful ones, spreading like a wildfire through the brain. So, what are prions? So, prions are the misfolded proteins. As you guys can see in this picture, this is the normal protein that is present in our brain, and this one is the prion protein. As compared to this image, in this image there is a misfolding happen. That's why it is called as a misfolded protein disease. So these prions disease are also called as transmissible spongiform encephalopathies or TSE. So what is this TSE? So the name comes from the sponge-like appearance of the brain tissues due to cell death. As in Prion disease, our brain is look like a sponge-like appearance. So that's why it is called as TSE. Here after that we are going to discuss about types of Prion disease. So first one is CJD, or can be called as Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. So it is the most common prions disease in humans. So it progresses rapidly and causes dementia, vision problems and muscle stiffness. Let's move to the another type, that is variant CJD, or simply called it VCJD. So it linked to the consuming contaminated beef from cows with mad cow diseases. It mostly affects younger people. Another type is GSS, or Just-Man-Stossler-Skenkert syndrome. So it is a rare inherited form starting with balance and coordination problems. Another is FFI. Yes, a prion disease that literally prevents you from sleeping, and it's always fatal. That's why it is called as fatal familial insomnia. And another one is Kuru disease. This is mainly seen in a region in New Guinea in Kuru. That's why it is named as Kuru disease. Now we are going to discuss about the etiology or causes of Prion disease. So it can be caused due to the inherited, that is genetic Prion disease like FFI or GSS. It can run in families due to mutation in the PRNP gene. And another type is sporadic or spontaneous. So some cases like sporadic CJD appear with no known cause due to random protein misfolding. Another is acquired infections. So you can get prion disease from exposure like eating contaminated meat, receiving infected tissue transplants, or through surgical instruments. So these are the main three etiology involving in prion disease. So prions are incredibly resistant. Standard sterilization techniques can't destroy them, making them dangerous in medical settings. So, as in conclusion, I want to say that prion diseases are rare but devastating. They challenge our understanding of infection, biology, and neurology. There is no cure exist yet, and research continues to unlock their secrets. In next video, I am going to discuss about the pathophysiology and the treatment and diagnosis outcomes of this prion disease.